Welcome to Royal Troon Golf Club. Not that I'm a member or anything, or ever will be. But we'll go and see what we can get to see, if they'll let us film. I'm just going to park in their car park. It's very posh. So, see if I can park here without getting chucked out. There's a wee golf cart man. Beep beep. Right, let's go for a wander. What's through here home? Obviously, we're by the sea and it's very windy again. It's always windy everywhere I go. Clubhouse. You hear a lot of aeroplanes because next to Prestwick Airport. Let's go and see if we can wander about and film. Or maybe they'll kick us out. There's the guys. There's guys. In the distance there, I can just hear them cracking the golf balls. Switch the camera around so you can see. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. What is this? Ah. The Marine Hotel. So this Marine Hotel is a 5-star hotel, and behind me is actually a view of the 18th hole. There you go. The guys are finishing up their expensive day of golf. £500. Mental. If you get a wee peek, we'll get through it. I think it's about £300 a night in here. I'm not going to go and kick me out anyway. It's very posh. Let's take a walk around the building. Go on, son. Crack a shot. This Golf Club was founded in 1878. It's very expensive to play. £500 or something for a day ticket. A bit cheaper if you're a PGA member. And it has 45 holes. I've no idea why it's got 45 holes. There's some of them there. You only need 18, but there you go. What do I know about golf? Absolutely hee-haw. We'll go back that way and we'll walk round. We'll walk round. Go back to the golf club, see what we can see. There's a wee club car. Ryder Cup, 1927-2010. Oh, it's a captain's look. Nice. I've never had a shot at a golf cart. I wonder how much a cup of tea is in there. Couple of bunkers. Yeah, let's go round this way. Keep off the grass. Should ask if I can film or just walk around. Huckled right off the premises. Here's your the merch store. Professional shop. Some There are a couple of old golfing dudes. Oh, it's spongy. Oh, you practice your putting. Shot. Putting green. There you go. We'll walk round some views, look. Ailsa Craig. That's Ailsa Craig, isn't it? The big rock. Lot of old gentlemen in suits sitting around. Oh, is that then? Very nice, look. There we have it. Royal Troon Golf Club. Hope you enjoyed the little tour. I'm going to head back to the car and go on to the next one. See you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.